looks before I use the nuts and the washers on top of these, which I will be using M3 nuts, 8 pieces, and washers D3 into D 8 mm. These. So now how the installation goes is, the next process is going to be this going on top of this, and the screws that you can see here. Yeah, now it's already a close look here. Washers and the nuts. These are going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will be doing that, and with the help of T and the screwdriver, I managed to get the secondary and the main frame together. Here you can have a look at it. All I had to do was get these screw and the nuts together here and make a linkage here. So it was 4, 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 8 included in order to get this frame together. Let me just show you upside down. So this is how it looks. So here's all the linkage. Next, I will have this part installed on the bottom of the frame like this, with the help of the M3 into 6 mm screws, 4 pieces. So this is going to look like this, which I'll be showing you in a short while. This part has been installed with the help of M3 6 mm screws, 4 pieces. So next, I will be gluing 4 bits of these. If you can, yeah, if you can see here. Yeah, this looks much clearer. Alright, this to the main frame here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is to assemble the control system. As per the manual, it is advised that before I go ahead and build the rest of the frame, and before the completion, I glue these 4 washers and install the control system, and then continue with the build. But I am not going to do that. I will be completing the build process of this frame completely. Then later I will be switching on to electronics part. I've seen videos on YouTube and I've read a couple of blogs where they say that it is still okay to go ahead and mount the control system once the frame is built. So I'm going to follow that. Right now I don't have my control system and the electronics for this particular multirotor, which I will be buying in a little later. So I will be continuing with my build process, but what I'm going to do right now is put some glue in here to 4 places here on the main frame, and have these washers fixed, so that in future when I have my control system, I can easily mount it Alright, I have glued the 4 washers onto the main frame. Here you can see. Along with that, 4 PB 2.6 into 8 mm screws are also being screwed onto the washers. This is just temporary until I have my PCB, that's my control system, assemble on top of this. I might even use a sponge, a thin layer of sponge on top of it, and then install the control system onto it, just to be sure that my control system doesn't take the impact during landing or hard landing or crash landing, anything like that sort. However, one thing that I would like to mention here before I go ahead: be extremely careful while you use any of this Sino glues. They are extremely quick, they dry very fast, and it's kind of a messy job. However, that's the best possible thing that you can get in order to get your things fixed quick and fast. And yeah, that's about it. However, I will be moving ahead with my build process. Next, these the small little parts that will go on the top of the frame, like a cowling or altogether the frame. Yes, let me go ahead with that.